Hello students, we move on to exercise 2b, the last video. So this is third video on exercise 2b and this is my fifth in the series of rational numbers, that is exercise 2. So today with this I will conclude exercise 2b. So let us see this sum which we have to write in descending order. Descending means big to small. So first we will see which is the biggest and then we go on to the smallest. So most important thing here, if you see please see my 2b, that is part 3 video. For concept please see part 3 video, then you will see the full concept except one difference. I'll tell you what it is. There we were seeing which one is bigger, but here we have to go from big to small. So only in the fourth part, first, second, third concept remains same. Only the fourth concept we have to see from big to small. Let us start. So first thing what we will do, we will find the LCM of the denominator. So see how I do. 6, 9, try to put in ascending order here, 12 and 18. So please see here, 6, 9, 12 and 18. So we start with prime number 2. So you see there are 3 terms which goes by 2. So 2, 9 will not go. Then if you try by 2, only one term will go. Then I will go with 3. 1, 3, 2, 3. Then you see I have got 2, 3. So at least 2 terms. So I get this. So finally what we see, children, LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 4 9s are 36. So each term, see how I am doing, 11 by 12 is 11 by 12. I have to make denominator equal to 36. So what will you multiply 12 to get 36? 12 3s are. Please remember the table up to 20. It's very necessary. So 12 3s are. Next we have 13 by 18. So with what you will multiply 18 so that it becomes 36. 2s are. Okay, so what do we get here is 26 by 36. So you see we are getting same denominator. Same way, 5 by 6. So 5 by 6, 6 into 6. Because we know 6 6 are 36. Now the last one is 7 by 9. So 9 into what will give you 36? 9 4s are. You can see like this. 3 3s are 9, 4s are. Okay, like 18. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. Leave this, 2s are, it will go. So you can see here. Okay, like here we have 12. How to make 36? 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. Don't see this. 3s are, this will go. So like that you practice, you will get all the denominator 36. Now descending big to small. Which is the biggest over here? See this. 33 by 36 is bigger. Next is my 30 by 36. That means this. Next is 28 by 36. And the last one is 26 by 36. But this is not, see the original fraction. 33 by 36 is actually 11 by 12. So therefore, write therefore, 30 by 36 is 5 by 6. This is 5 by 6. 28 by 36 is 7 by 9. And finally, 26 by 36 is 13 by 18. So this is my descending order from big to small. So what is the concept? Denominator remaining same, numerator decreases, the fraction decreases. So some books and all, I told you, you can use any book. I am using one standard book. They write like this. They don't write this in this open mouth. This means this is bigger than this. This is bigger than this. What they do, children? They simply put a comma. So this is also not wrong. This comma, this comma, this comma, this. So please pause the video and copy. So now we move on to the last sum of this exercise. This is little harder, one of the hardest sums. So please see how I am going to put all these four rational numbers in descending order from big to small. So as compared to the previous question here, I have two denominator minus. So first I have to convert denominator into negative denominator into positive denominator. So see, 7 by minus 10 is equal to 7 by minus 10 multiply and divide by minus 1. So you get minus 7 by 10. So this is my step 1. Next you will see I have got another one, minus 17 by minus 30. So minus 17 by minus 30 into minus 1 into minus 1, I get 17 by 30. In fact, one shortcut, children, I'll tell you, if there is minus in denominator, you can take into numerator. If both has minus, they cancel. But since standard books show this step, I am showing you. Any one minus can go up because both minus will cancel. So next step, children, is step 2, where we will get LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 5, I go from small to big, 10, 15, 30. 15 and 30. So like previous sum, 5, 10, 15 and 30. First we take first prime number 2. Then we will try with 3. Then with 5, 7 and all. Try with 2. Two numbers are going. So 2, 5, 5, 15, 15. Now 2 it will not go. Try with 3. Two numbers will go. 5, 5, 5, 5. 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. And last step is 5. 1, 1, 1, 1. So LCM, children, is 2 into 3 into 5, which is 30. Now each fraction's denominator I am going to make equal to 30. So remember, 7 by minus 10 is actually minus 7 by 10 into 3 into 3. So 5 2s are 10, 10 you have. So this 2 you hide, you 10 3s are it will go. So you will understand what to multiply. 5 2s are 10, you take out. You are left with 3. So this is minus 21 by 30. Next is 11 by 15. So 15, 5 3s are 15, hide it. 2s are 15, 2s are. So up and down both you multiply. Third one, minus 17 by minus 30, children, has become 17 by 30. So this you multiply and divide by 1 because it is already 30. You don't do anything. Or multiply by 1. Last, minus 2 by 5, children. Minus 2 by 5 into minus 1 into minus 1. You get 2. Sorry, we have to make it 30. We are not rationalizing it. So 5 6 are 30. 5 you leave. 2 3s are 6. 30. So you multiply. This is minus 12 by 30. Since now it is descending order, out of this if you see, okay, so what we have, just check once more that all the denominators are equal and numerators are multiplied properly. So which is the biggest, children? 22 by 30 is greater than. Same denominator, larger the numerator, your bigger is the fraction. After 22, 17, then minus 12, then minus 21. Once more, same denominator, larger the numerator, so big to small, larger the numerator, larger is the fraction. This is the largest fraction. Then don't see 30. 22, 17 minus 12 minus 21. Minus 12 is bigger than minus 20. So 22 by 30 stands for which one? 11 by 5. This stands for this. 17 by 30 stands for 17 by 30. Okay? Same, they are same. Minus 12 by 30 stands for minus 2 by 5. The last of all, minus 21 by 36 stands for minus 7 by 10. But children, see the last part. 11 by 5 is alright. Check nicely. 11 by 5. 11 by 5. Now listen carefully. 17 by 30 actually is minus 17 by 30. Minus 17 by minus 30. Minus 2 by 5 is minus 2 by 5. But last of all, minus 7 by 10 actually is, children, 7 by minus 10. So 7 by minus 10. So this is your final answer. Once more here, I have put with positive denominator, but some questions were negative denominator. So see, this was actually both negative. This one was minus 10 down. So this is your final correct answer. So please pause the video. If you need, you can go back. Stop the video. Go back and then see and understand, learn and then copy. Thank you boys for watching.